It's the end of the school year, and like many teachers, I have a lot of thank you notes to write. Let's make something special. I'm going to make a painting and use it to create mixed media thank you cards. Let's get started. I'm beginning with a 12-inch by 18-inch sheet of watercolor paper and 3 different colors of watercolor paint. I'll be making some abstract shapes on the paper and just allowing the layers to build as they dry. One of the things I was thinking about while painting this was connection. That's what's going on in my mind as I was creating this piece. I added 2 more colors of paint, but the white and the pink are gouache, so they're going to resist the watercolor as we go on throughout this process. I let that dry just a little bit and grabbed a business card from my Etsy shop and used that to scrape the gouache across the paper. I'm so sorry this is blurry. I'll speed it up so you don't have to endure that for too long, but you do get the idea of how I'm creating links that are being connected throughout this piece. Stay with me, the blurriness is almost over. Now, while that's drying, I grabbed a few tools to use in the next step. A large circle punch and a small floral punch. I used the large circle punch to cut out circles from my painting. And then my goal was to incorporate them onto cards. I thought I'd use this floral punch to create a little bit more interest in each of the watercolor pieces. None are the same, but you can see that they're all connected. And I just love all these flowery bits. The next thing I did was get some drawing paper, which is thinner than the watercolor paper, and I used that to cut out cards that would fit inside some envelopes I found around the house. This is what I came up with. I cut off sides of the circles and used my sewing machine to sew them onto the paper. I'm using a bone folder to crease each of the cards. Trimming down the strings along the sides. And then I get out a rubber stamp that said thank you. A little personal touch to the back of each of the cards. On the envelopes, I used some of that leftover floral fodder from punching those out earlier. Hint to what's inside the envelope when people receive it in the mail. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to be notified every time I post a new video. Thanks so much for watching.